Hey guys, Jenny here from Angel Handmade Papercraft. Today I am sharing with you the Love from Lizi February kit. So I'm just unboxing that for you. So it comes in a 30 by 30 box. And this is all the goodies. So we'll just go through each piece individually. Alright, so what have we got here? Alright, so in the little packet here was Nuvo Crystal Drops in the bubblegum blush. You guys will know I love my Nuvo drops. Got some little arrow stickers here. Some heart diamonds in chipboard. Actually they're more of a wood than they are a chipboard. Some gold foiling. Some gorgeous sequin mix. Quite a lovely mixture there, different sizes. What have we got here? Some little wooden hearts. And some beautiful ribbons, which are all quite matchy-matchy to the sequin mix there. And a happy birthday die. Let's just open that up. Happy birthday word die and a little banner die. Quite cute. We've got some, well, these look gorgeous in my planner. You guys know that I love doing my planner layouts lately. They're quite beautiful. Then we've got some gold foiled stickers. They're gorgeous. Oh, these are going to be fun. Love this. They're just absolutely gorgeous. Everything to match. Alright, now in the big package, I'll just pop these ones to the side. So in here we've got the Love from Lizi stamps, birthday stamps. They're gorgeous. I really love the font that they've used on the numbers there. Cute. Very interesting. Little stickers there. They look cute on the front of some cards or on the back of an envelope to seal the envelope. Some little gold strips. They're really, really thin. How cute's that? Cool. Some gold glitter cardstock. And there is a few sheets of coloured cardstock. So you've got black, pink, 2 sheets of white, a yellow, a mint greeny colour. Oh, there's another black, sorry. So you've got 2 blacks, 2 whites, a pink, a yellow, and a minty green. And we've got some 30 by 30 sheets, 12 by 12, however you measure in your world there. So these are quite lovely, and it's double-sided. Look at those hearts, how pretty are they? Some chalkboard words and frames. It's also backed as well. These would be nice to go in my planner as well. They're nice. Oh, and back's pretty. Okay, and then you've got the smaller papers there. So we've got cupcakes, the minty green circles, some beautiful florals. Oh, some ombre, that's nice. Some spots, hearts. Oh, that's pretty too. Oh. Gorgeous, gorgeous papers. So that's all the kit for this month. I will be making some cards shortly, and I will get that video up as soon as I can. And that's all the goodies there from the kit. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye.